friends, and welcome to this vlog. I don't really know why I'm starting it today. Today's actually Tuesday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, and I really am not doing anything terribly exciting other than school and possibly doing my first outing in a while to get food, which I'll explain later. I have been trying to practice social distancing as much because obviously everyone knows what is going on in the world right now. So I am trying to practice that. I do just have to go out tomorrow to get like groceries, but I plan on making a list tonight so that way I'm going in and like getting exactly what I need, not like looking around, because I'm going to Target because I need to get like bathroom stuff as well as groceries as well as like other things, so I don't want to have to go to multiple stores. It is a little bit more expensive for groceries, but I really don't want to have to go to multiple stores, and like I just want to keep the socializing or like being in public as like minimum as possible, and hopefully this will be my last time out for a while because I really think it's so important right now for everyone to be practicing social distancing. But yeah, anyways, the big thing in the room is definitely my hair. I actually just got it done today. The curls that my hairdresser put in are coming out. I actually absolutely love it. It is weird seeing myself like on camera with it, and I still am getting used to it. I don't have like makeup on or anything right now, so that's also weird. I have like some foundation, but like that's it. I don't have any eye makeup on, so I think tomorrow I might wake up and get ready. I've been dealing with a lot mental health wise, and maybe we'll talk about that in this vlog just because I want to make more videos, and my whole spring quarter is online as many of the other universities are. So I really want to dedicate that time to really focusing on my studies, getting back into YouTube and doing stuff that make me happy, because I want everyone to be happy in this time. It's such a stressful time, and I think we should be doing things that we enjoy inside while practicing social distancing. But this is a rough time for some people who maybe haven't faced their mental illness. Being isolated and stuck inside can bring out some issues in people, and I hope that everyone focuses on themselves, focuses on their mental health and their physical health. Understand a lot of people that can't go to the gym, maybe they can work out at home. But yeah, we'll probably talk about all of that throughout the vlog, but I just wanted to do a little intro because I've been wanting to film for like, I don't know, like 3 days now, knowing that from this quarantine or this self-quarantine I was going to get back into YouTube. So yeah, I've just been really itching to film, and I think me getting my hair done was like, okay, just like film an intro. I probably will wrap up this vlog on like Thursday or something. I don't really know what the vlog is gonna be, but I know that I want to vlog and just have a fun time, and hopefully if anyone sees this video, it brings a little bit of light to their day, even with my new dark hair. But yeah, so right now I got a drink. I actually fixed my bangs because my hairdresser did not do, because I don't know, I feel like I'm picky about how I like my bangs done, but she did cut them. Right now my room is a disaster, so that's actually what Thursday will probably be, because I finished all of my like test finals yesterday, and I need to submit an essay tomorrow. That's a long essay, it's like 12 pages, so I have to finish that. So tomorrow is when I'm like officially done with finals, but it'll probably be tomorrow night because it's a really long essay. So yeah, so I'm probably going to be doing that today. I wanted to put my desk back together because currently it is a mess. I had to move some things to take an online final because they proctor you. It's literally called Proctor You is the website they use, and so you have to like clear your desk. It's a mess, but my whole room is a mess, so that'll probably be some cleaning montages in here. Currently me and Daisy have been huddled on bed because, well, I don't know, we don't really have anything else to do, and honestly this quarter was exhausting, so some bedtime has very much been needed. And Daisy really loves self-quarantine because me and Craig get to stay home with her all the time, and I swear she's like, guys, I had this idea all along to stay at home. So she's very happy that we are home, and we plan on taking her on lots of walks, which is good for us and good for Daisy, and I think that'll be kind of what keeps us sane, because it's not really socializing with anyone, but it's still going outside, and we'll just make sure to shower after and wash our hands, use hand sanitizer, and give ourselves some cardio without having to go to a gym. So yeah, that's kind of where my life has been. I haven't made a video in a while. It's been a really rough quarter. But we are almost done with the quarter, and it's a really rough time right now, but we're going to be very positive because I think that's what we all need to be right now, even though it's hard. So let's go ahead and clean my desk. So I just finished cleaning off my desk. I already feel a lot better. I was watching Alicia ignore my cup. So our desk is looking pretty nice. I even wiped it all down, cleaned it all. I'm going to start my essay now. So I don't know when I'll see you guys, maybe when I make my grocery list, because I kind of want to show you guys what I plan on making. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hi guys, so I just wanted to check in. Today's actually Thursday. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday just because we went to Target to get all of the last necessities we needed, and then I came home and was writing my final paper all day. So there was nothing really to vlog other than me just typing a lot. And then today I am just working. It's currently 2:30ish and I have work from 1 to 5. So I just checked in online and have been doing work. But I'm gonna take 15 minutes because I just got my FabFitFun box. So I was gonna unbox it with you guys. I've never actually done FabFitFun, but I always see people like Remy and I think Alicia's promoted it before. So I wanted to go ahead and try it for the first time. So I wanted to go ahead and open the box with you guys. The packaging is literally so cute. I picked it up from our front office and she was like, oh, you're the one with the cute packaging. So I absolutely love the butterflies. Look at how cute even the butterfly sticker is. Okay, I need to stop tilting it because I keep breaking it. All right, I'm gonna try and not ruin the butterfly, but I think I'm going to have to. Ah, it's sad, okay. Okay. So opening it up, let's see if I can do it without dropping things. This is what mine looks like. Now, for those of you who don't know how it works, they had me fill out a survey, and I think I got to pick 3 things that I specifically wanted. So I knew that I was, whoa, this is a lot heavier than I thought it was. I knew I wanted to get this gravity sleeping mask. I've been wanting a sleeping mask because I've been having a lot of sleeping issues, which is something that I've always kind of dealt with, but I really feel like this will help. It's definitely it feels like a weighted blanket, but it's for your eyes, obviously. So I'll probably let you guys know how this goes because I'll probably be using this tonight. So that's my first thing. Okay. Another really exciting thing, because I absolutely love reusable straws. My sorority is all about Inherit the Earth because it's one of our 5 philanthropies. So I got these silicone reusable straws. They look so cute. It's from Chicken Tonic, which is just a cute name. Oh, and they're such cute. Oh, and it comes with a brush cleaner. That's actually really convenient. Let me see what this is. Oh, and a little holder. I've literally almost ordered this on Amazon. I think not this exact one, but a cheaper one on Amazon. So I'm very excited about this because they just fold into this, and then you can put this on your keys, and it's so convenient. So I'm, wow, very excited. Great start to this. The next big thing that I see is a hairbrush, which is actually pretty exciting. It looks absolutely so freaking cute. I think it's rose gold, which if you know me, you know I love freaking rose gold. So this is, oh my god, this is so cute. So it just looks like this, and it came in a little cute bag. You can actually see my phone in the reflection of it, so I'm very excited for this. I've actually been needing a new brush because right now I just have a curl brush and I use one of the really big combs. So I'm very excited about this. This is an Aria Beauty. It's called the Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. Okay, I think this was another one of the things that I picked out. It's the, I'm gonna say the name of it wrong. It's the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. It's the Resurgence. It says it's a treatment, I guess. I think this was a serum. Let me see. Yeah, so this is I'm assuming equivalent to a serum. It's just to help with aging and wrinkles. And I don't know, out of the options, I really just liked this one. And anything to do with I feel like my skin is very textured, but I know that Murad, I'm obviously saying that wrong, is a pretty expensive brand. So the fact that they were what was one of the options, I was like, I'll try it out because I want to know the hype. The next thing is a lip balm from Winky Lux. I've heard of this. Their packaging is so cute. Look at that. It has like the cute little florally, and obviously this is the spring box, so it makes sense that everything's like really cute and florally, but I love a good lip balm. Oh, this is so cute. You can see it says Winky Lux on the thing. Whoa, okay, I was not expecting that. It is like rainbow colored. So I wonder if it's, oh, so it comes off like almost like colored. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see that. It's very light, so obviously like we said, it's a lip balm, but it will put like maybe a slight tint on you. I kind of like that. I'll have to use that and see if it works. The next thing is from the brand This Works, which I find very funny. It's a deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior. Okay, for better sleeping and brighter mornings. This is awesome. Look, I got my sleeping mask.
Cool.
It's a weighted sleeping mask, like a weighted blanket.
Nice.
So I can sleep now.
So you could lift.
Yeah, and look at this cute hairbrush. You say so I can lift?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Daisy, you want to say hi? Here. Daisy, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Bye, Craig.
Bye. I'm vlogging.
Okay, so like I said, the next thing that I got is this deep sleep body cocoon, which is just basically, I think, like a sleeping mask lotion. It says it's a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter and chamomile oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality. It says improve sleep quality. So honestly, these two things right here are gonna be my saving grace because like I said, sleeping problems. Okay, the second to last thing I'm super excited for because I've seen this literally everywhere on YouTube. This, okay, I'm gonna say it wrong again. The Scandinavia setting spray. This was like super big, I feel like a year and a half ago to 2 years, and so I'm really excited to try it because I never bought it to try. Okay, and the last thing is this. I don't know if it's a shirt or what it is, so let's go ahead and open it up to see. Ooh, I love the texture. I'm trying to think what it reminds me of. It definitely reminds me of like pajamas, so maybe it's like pajamas. Oh my gosh, is it like a comfy, so it's one size fits all. Oh, and there's, oh, okay, so it's like a cute comfy cardigan. I actually really like this, and I'll probably be wearing it a lot around the house during this quarantine. I really hope you guys enjoyed going through the FabFitFun box with me. I am going to go ahead and get back to work because it has been about 15 minutes, so I need to go back to work. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got from my box. I don't really know what the next thing I will be vlogging is, but I will see you guys in the next clip. Hi guys, so I actually filmed a little bit after Thursday night, after I opened the FabFitFun box to show you guys how I make my favorite low-carb cookies. But I just edited the beginning of the vlog and me opening the box part, and it's already pretty long, so I think I'm going to separate it into 2 vlogs. But today's actually Saturday when I'm editing this, so we're gonna go for a walk today, take Daisy out since it's finally not raining. But I just wanted to go ahead and end the first vlog, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more self-quarantine content, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!